Apollo with the grid. Loading.
But let me say a ball game time. Ball game. Boy, the market turning a piece of slaughterhouse this morning. Boy, everything get dead. Wow. Back in the slaughterhouse. Alright. What go on? we be like what them call them? We be like one of them. What do you think the name? Be like one DJ. People don't know what the man cool lyrics do. I have one hit song, you know. Let's see it. So what I deal with? Back in that place, you know, people. We're live and in charge, you know. We're live and in charge, you know, people. What's up? We're there, man. We're there. What go on? People, me know say hold on and catch the goal by. Like, come on, guys. We've been said that. Push, correction, go and boy business, right? We don't want it no simpler. We don't want it no simpler. Get the man say? So what go on? We're there, people. We're live and in charge. Back on the ground next night, you know? Back on the grind next night. Back in the factory, I put in the work. We're there back, man, people. We're there back. But first, before we start the stream, as usual, we have a shout out to all our sponsors. Them, you get what I say? And guys, I put in the work for the same way, you know. Still, I put in some things going on. Some great news for everybody when I stream same way. Get the message. But before we go to that now, guys, I have to big up what sponsors them. We'll take the time out for it, you know. Sponsor the stream, partner the stream. You get the message. So guess what, guys? First sponsor I want to big up is Trader Central. If you don't know what Trader Central is, Trader Central provides funding for traders. They have also a crypto exchange service and are also providing access to tools such as trade copier software. They also have a portfolio software that they're working on, and they have a marketplace where you can buy and sell digital assets using their native token TCT. So Trader Central have their own cryptocurrency basically. You can also mine 50 TCT by simply just signing in every day, and once you sign in every day, you'll have enough TCT to even purchase a challenge. You get what I'm saying? And you can sign up now, guys, using the link in the description, or you can type in !fund and you can get 30% off your first funded account. Also, big up to Secure the Bug Academy, you know, providing education to everybody. You get what I say? Both Forex, both business related. So big up Secure the Bug Academy. We're currently having a $50 off sale. So the course is now for 100 USD or 15,000 Jamaican dollars. That ends at 11:59 p.m. tonight. Big up Hot Forex same way, providing us with accounts to trade. You get what I say? So Hot Forex is our brokerage that I work with. Best brokerage on the planet. Get them I say big up Wealthy Clothing same way, providing us with good quality luxurious clothing, and the Wealthy Clothing soon drop, guys. Just so get more information on that as well. Before hopping to the stream, so today or last night I just say me and the Trader Essential CEO sat down, we had a talk. You know, my voice some of the concern where you guys are telling me, especially about the the account. So they're currently working on an automated system. So no worries about that, guys. So they're currently working on an automated system as well. You get the message because me I make them know, so yo, people them don't want to wait no 1 day for your account or no 2 days. You get the message? So them need for it. So no worry, guys. Put in the word phone, so everything good in that regards. You get the message? So them they have been working on. But at the moment, guys, you purchase an account, just wait the 24 hours. Simple. You get the message? Why you in a haste for? You get the message? The money not road. So big up. You can you get 50 TCT by just logging in daily. And you know, so you can build up your TCT until you can actually purchase an account with that amount of TCT. Right. Plus the accounts, as I tell you guys, you get 30% off your first plan. Right? Just use the link in the bio, sign up. Right? Get a 30% off your first plan. When you get a 30% off your first plan, you know, you can even purchase the plan and not trade on it for now. Right? Just have your plan there secured and something you used to reinvesting in yourself. You get the message? So that is it. That is where it's at. Get the message? So bless up to everybody in the stream. Same names. So I could go through the register here now and see who there tonight. So through the register now, the first person there is Malik. Wagwan bro up top. Shade there as usual, Murdoch's there, Yardman there, Great there, Top Striker there. Boy, Top Striker look like say Crown get right off with it this morning, my boss. Eh? Oh, you get murder. Come on, man. DeAndre Black there as usual. Brian there. Tristan there. Goldenville there. Joel Millwood, welcome to the stream, bro. Bless up yourself. Tariq there. You get the message. Jeremy in there. Nika there as usual. Blessings and big up yourself. Big engineer. Who was there? Joey in there. Alright, so Joey come off him mother phone tonight and get back for him phone. Alright, Joey back in our place. Nathaniel Analysis, big up, bless up. Damar Brown, bless up. Eric there as usual. Striker there. Yeah, sit down to see. Nika. Nika, you know what thing go. You know? But Nika, me not go take credit because if I never feel Uno in them position. You get the man say? Because you guys, the supporter, you guys come to the stream every night, and yo, it might look like I just 50 a week here night time or 40 a week here every night, but trust me guys, it does a lot. You get the man say? It does a lot. And as you guys can see, we have our own like a family, we have our own like a community over here, so you get the man say? So we just work with that. How much TCT for a challenge? I'm not sure, bro. But TCT can get discount on the challenge. Well, go on wifey. People not say wifey get a rose and something today. Yeah, wifey good. So wait there. What wanna do for Valentine's Day? Come on, we're not even jumping on stream yet. What wanna do for Valentine's Day? I could start there, so. What wanna go on with? Wanna go on for Valentine's Day? Wanna hear what wanna do? Man them wanna do. Woman them wanna do. And guys, make sure you say you like the stream. When you forward, ensure you like the stream every night. So make sure you click that like button. Wanna do for Valentine's Day? Valentine's not a holiday. Can't do nothing. I never Valentine's. Bro, how do I make you look so? Come on, man. And I make it look too bad. What do for Valentine's? What do for wifey fit? What do for wifey today? I know there's enough people there out on date right now, you know. I know on the style, you know. You know who we not see tonight? You know who they out on date tonight? Just looking at chat. We don't have a call on him. You know, no wife, no girl. Come on, people. No need to open the thing, you know. You know, this I wanna see Wicked tonight. I wanna see. Boy, you know this I wanna see Wicked tonight, guys. Wicked not there, yeah? Not there. Alright, guys. We know we think that already. We don't have to say anything more. We know what's up. We know what's up. You look like in bingo for real. In bingo, man. My mind did tell me last night, huh? Okay. My mind did tell me last night say girls run him down, you know. So look like him he look like a female account name got accidentally transferred $1 million, you know. Boy. Yes! A true people. Wicked did tell me say I got a hotel. Yes, me just remember. Tristan. Wicked did say I go a hotel. I would did that trouble him say I lie, I tell you. I'll see Wicked not there tonight. Wicked there hotel. Big of yourself, boss. Wicked there hotel people and can't chat to Wicked here. Wicked telling us say hotel settings in thing they on tomorrow. No normal. You can't talk to Wicked. Right now Wicked forward back tomorrow or I don't think he might go bust that one day. More than likely bust that 2 days still. When Wicked forward back by Wednesday we are going to hear what time it is. Go on Joel, bro, big up yourself, blessings. How do you check your Trading Central TCT balance? Just go up on your profile and you see it to the side. Just go right to the side and you see it. Log in and I want to get my TCT. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to show you like an overview. So me have 50 TCT, right? See? You can use the TCT as discount. My thing probably different from phone, to be honest. See if you can use a TCT discount. I think my profile different from for you guys. But you just click redeem TCT. So that's at the normal price. TCT discount 50% off. Box side. Want 200k for $357? That's crazy. Right now I can buy one 5k. 75%. Can buy one 5k for $11. Can buy one 5k account for $11. Not sure. Alright, I'm say something. Instant. 5,000, 50,000, 25%. Oh. Alright, challenge. 200k. 50% off. Oh, see much TCT have there. So see that guys, you have 5,000 TCT. And you get what, 10 TCT a day? Enough TCT that you have man. You only have 50. Yeah guys, so that's how TCT thing work. So if you have 0.5k, which is 500 TCT, you can get 5% off. Plus remember you already get 30% off, so you can, you know. Oh, you get 50 TCT a day, guys. Oh, that. Boy, I'm full of TCT though, man. TCT large. We have 1050 TCT right now. I have enough more TCT I don't even know about it. Yeah, some whole heap of videos for you know. Enough video man for up on the ground. We're going Jersey. Or you just collect a TCC, yeah, different. What is TCT? TCT is like it's Trader Central, their own cryptocurrency basically. So that's their own token. You have 1200 go on, bro. So you can use a TCT for discount challenges. I forget, verify, I guess. Yeah, bro, you get 50 TCT a day and 1000 when you join. Alright, then. You can only redeem it after your first paid plan. Yes, so after your first challenge, you can use a TCT to purchase a second challenge. You get me? Yeah, them have them guys. Me telling us that Trader Central is different from every. They're not just out. They're not at the like just a prop firm, you know, guys. That's what I'm tell us say. You know. Where's the bro? Type in exclamation mark. Fund in the chat. Exclamation mark fund in the chat, bro. There you go, bro. Malik. Yeah, guys, so what I'm telling you is that Trader Central is like way beyond the game. Them are go way beyond just funding accounts. Them are gonna allow you to use. Them are gonna have something called Bagley tools, right? We're gonna have trading view, everything when you use in a one place. So you soon see me there upon trading view. So just see me log into my Bagley tools. I'm gonna have everything to my disposal. You get what I say? They also have their own trade copier. Them also have the portfolio tracking thing. Them also gonna have something similar to like signal service. However, you know how regular signal service people that sell signals? It's not like that. The signal service is gonna be based on portfolio. So it's gonna come like, you know, Hot Forex have PAM. You know, Hot Forex have the PAM thing. It's gonna be similar to that. You're gonna actually see. You can actually subscribe to the person's portfolio, meaning that you see somebody a trader, you see they want to make 50% a month, you can subscribe to that portfolio, and all of the trades that portfolio takes, it will be copied to your account. So say you have an investment trading account and you see somebody a trade good, right? You can actually, you know, subscribe to that with a $100 account or $1,000 account and just make that go and run up over there. So because that person is trade good and consistent. So for everybody who are good at trading and consistent, it's gonna be a business opportunity for you guys as well. However, I like it because guess what? A person can't sell signals if they're not going with nothing. You get the message? So that I go just change the game totally. And them will have them own social media and everything. You know, you go on Instagram and you see one bag of car business and that. You go just go on boom, on on Trader Central community, and you're gonna see everything trading related. You get what I say? On them own social media. So yo guys, them way ahead of the game. You get what I say? The trading just get easy. But remember, if you subscribe, it's not gonna be free. Person not gonna have them price and everything where you pay for subscribe to them portfolio. But the thing is a portfolio you subscribe to. So it come like Barita Investments or so. You get what I say? Them have a track record, which is very good. Oh, you see the community thing in the ad yet, bro? I think it'll add March. Yeah, so next month. Yeah, March everything's supposed to come out. Because them asked me about the community thing today in the meeting. So March is supposed to come out. And you're gonna have like articles. It's like everything FX. You're gonna have articles. I'm gonna write articles too. So I'm gonna write articles as well, guys. So you're gonna see my articles. Then you can subscribe to my articles. I think my articles are gonna be one of the main articles from the articles section. But guys, here we're going. Good not them writing article thing now, guys, but I have to learn. So articles are like these type of stuff, you know? These type of stuff. So these are like articles, so like these type of things. So I have to go start write articles. You get what I say? Start write articles. I start give like them type of outlook here. You know, them thing here. Them something here. So it's basically, you know, more in depth. What in your opinion, what's the best one to take? The challenge, bro. Yes, the instant funding is good, bro, but you have to realize that there's a 60% profit split. You get me? And you have like bro, you see the challenge really proves that you're a trader, especially with Trader Central. The challenge really proves that you're a trader. The challenge really proves that you're a trader with Trader Central, to be honest. Like, if you can't trade, you can't pass the challenge. I'll be real with you. These challenges, like, no, if you can't trade, you can't withdraw. That's the thing. Because remember, me tell the guys about the hidden third step when nobody know really makes withdraw. So guys, make sure you say you like the stream. Make sure you click the like button below. Right below the screen right there, sir. Yeah, just take 1-2 seconds out of your time and click the like button. Alright then, that is it. I think the challenge is better, bro. The challenge is more affordable and you can get more for your money. And it has a lower percent profit split. Challenge has like 80 to 85. And on the challenge now you can just start doing the scaling up. After you start get some consistent withdrawals, you just do the scaling up program and you're good to go. So how go treat on last night, guys? And they catch a trade there? But no one catch the buy, you know. Cause me they done telling us it's a correctional move, so me know say nobody not supposed to sell. We will actually start break down gold right now too. And I break down everything from last night, or the breakdown on the stream, what happened after, and everything. Guys, just consider stream like a pre-market analysis. You get me? After the stream, you don't know your outlook. So after the stream is literally just patience. I just patience and just work with the chart patterns, to be honest. That's it after the stream. Just patience and chart pattern. Yo, look when I move there. Go to shoot up. Oh, I'm the pull. Oh, I'm toward. I got Reggie. Yes, a silver move too. Yeah, them about commodities, so I'm gonna do that. But I catch 50 pips just now. Yeah, the buy did I set up. The buy did I set up, bro. Throw me busy over here, set on the phone now and look on the chart now. 1 second. Want a white trading setup. Yeah, man, trading long term, yeah, bro. Trading is a long term thing, bro. But I don't know why people feel the trading I got us like trading a stepping stone. You know, say you go start off with your $10 day them and then you know $100 day them and $1,000 day them and then you know you move up the ladder slowly, you know. But I don't know why people feel say trading I gonna be on the call, just boom. Big. You get what I'm saying? It's a long term thing, it take a while to build. So you just be patient and put in the work and put in the time. You get what I'm saying? Just put in the time and the work to learn it and just make smart decisions along the way. While you build yourself as a trader, make sure you make smart decisions, you know? So yeah, grow yourself. Expecting gold to go up to 1900. Alright, bro, that is it. That's where it's pointed, bro. Let us see. Alright, so wait, we're gonna break down goal. Remember, so we have book at 10. I'm gonna turn off the music so we can break down goal. Alright, guys, so we're gonna start from 4 hour time frame. We're gonna start from last night. So last night, before the stream ended, we were looking like this. So we're gonna work in replay mode. Alright. So when the stream ended, we were looking like this, right? As I'm telling you guys, we had a big move, a big push, right? So we had this big push. However, what I told you guys, this is a correction. As you guys can see, we're just basically correcting to tap into this level right here, you know, because we made this whole entire push to the upside. So after every push comes a correction. So this is how the market operates. You get what I say? This is how our uptrend operates. Every push, a correction. So basically, because we know that every push is a correction, that enables us now to, take advantage of all the moves within the market, because we know that, all right, then we don't see this pushing down and then we start taking 100 sells because we say, all right, then it's pushing down, so it's sell time. No, we know that in order for us to actually take sells, we have to do this. So if it's doing this and it's correcting, right? If it's correcting, we know that in order for us to take moves, we'll have to break that previous structure and create a different structure. So this right here would be an uptrend structure, right? So you'd have to actually breach the uptrend structure right here. By breaking the uptrend structure right here, it would then be transitioning to a downtrend structure. So in order for us to actually to take sales yesterday, would have to actually break the uptrend structure and change to a downtrend structure. So that is the reason why I told you guys I will not be taking sales unless it breaks 1850. You get what I'm saying? So that's why when I went to bed, when I came off the stream, but I went to bed. When I came off the stream, I told you guys that I won't be taking any trades until it breaks below this level or breaks back above 1855, right? So that's what we were working with yesterday in the stream. So let's hop on a lower time frame, such as a 30 minutes, so we can definitely see the ball game that's taking place right here. So on our 30 minute, we see, as you can see, we still had our alarm down here, right? And we had an alarm up here. So basically on our 30 minute we're just waiting to see what the market was providing us with. This candle now at 3 a.m. right? This is when the London session, right, a little bit after London session started, we had this push up, this candle push up, right? Now we have a next candle push down, right? We had a next candle push underneath this level, right? When you see this candle push underneath this level, this 4 o'clock candle, you don't have anything to worry about. Just wait for your next candle, and as you guys can see, we have a failure to break. But having a failure to break, that alone can't cut it, because we want some exhaustion, want to see some exhaustion, want to see that volume being collected. So we waited a bit, then we start getting these candles. So once I get those candles, guys, you know that is ball game time. Boom, boom, boom. Time to go, guys. Time to go. Right? And we set our TP at our next level. Right? However, when you set a TP at the next level, still keep in mind that you have this level right here. So even though your TP would be up there, you would then be paying keen attention to this level as well. So this is where we would, wait for the market to push up, right? This is why I don't utilize a stop loss, because as you guys can see, right, look at this candle pushed all the way down here, right? However, look how it closed above the level. So this would stop out a lot of people. This is probably the candle that stop out you, top striker. So this is probably the candle that stopped out you, and you enter near your zone, right, guys? This candle is 34 pips, right? It's a little bit more than your maximum drawdown. However, you would just wait for the candle to close, right? That's why I always tell the guys, just wait for the candle to close, huh? Just wait for it to close, right? A candle push down all the way down here and end up closing up here, right? You're still seeing that, alright, then this 1855 level is being maintained. Well, our next candle that does the same thing, right? And then boom, as you guys can see, look. The first level will come back right here and rejected was this level, see? Because of this previous higher high right here, we came here and rejected that level. However, you just want you to be patient, and that is it. That's yesterday's trade, right? That's basically yesterday's trade. So we created new highs right there, right? We created a new higher high. So basically what we're waiting for tonight kind of already happened though. Right, we're waiting to see if gold would breach the 1870 level, and breaching the 1870 level would then look to take gold up to 1880. So we'll then hop on our daily time frame and see, and use the daily time frame to aid us in finding all our zones that we'll be working with. As you guys can see, 1900 is a very strong zone, right? It's a very strong level. And we've been here before, guys. We've been at 1900 before, right? So we'll have a level at 1900. Right, we'll hop on our 4 hour. Yeah, but you have to wait for the candle to close, because A candle open and a candle close is two different things. Right? A candle close is called close volume, and a candle open is called open volume. So you can't make a decision based on open volume. You have to always make a decision based on close volume. Alright guys, I want to look on this level to see how significant it is. We have reversals right there, reversals right there. We have some reversal right here. Our level look good. So like our level looks good, we're gonna then change the color to red because it's a major level. We're gonna add the opacity up a bit, right? And we're gonna label it as well. So we're gonna copy that, or we're gonna go to text and we're going to paste that as well. We want to find a next level that is a level that is in between all of this, right? And this is why it's good for you guys to have multiple charts, right? So this is where I would just do this. Open up the catalyst. Catalyst is supposed to have every level, right? Catalyst is supposed to have every level, right? And we'll look on 30 minutes and see where we stay. Alright, catalyst have every level. So I'm gonna drag this down. Alright, so I have 1890, 1895, 1900. And we also have 1875. Alright, so what the catalyst is, guys, right? The chart that these guys are semi-open, right? This is my chart that I've been trading with for the past 2 years. However, since recently, because I have a whole lot of levels on this chart, I just switched to a much cleaner chart, which is this chart, right? So as you can see, I don't have a lot of levels on this chart. As you can see, I just really start working with this chart since we went into 1790. So we actually have a level at 95, 17. Alright, we're gonna mark this level 1875. I'm not gonna mark it as a major level. I want to see how the market reacts to it first before I mark it as a major level. So text this. I'm gonna change this to 1, change that to blue, so I know exactly what is taking place right here. Up on my 30 minutes and see how it's acting right here. So I can see what happened, I can see what's taking place. Obviously we have a level at 1890. Based on this, we have a level at 1890, a long-term level at 1890. No man, a Valentine's Day, bro. A Valentine's Day, bro. Everybody there out. So I work with that guys and see um what was created, everything. So for everything pointing up. So basically I'm gonna do right here, so the previous day was very bullish as expected. So me would basically just wait until my next few candles form. Best trade from the year start, even if I joke. Nice, bro, nice. Realize I can't and gone to. Yo, that attack what you people there with that. Yeah. So right now I'm just a wait and go for create some structure. We see what I go on, we see which part our next higher low will be forming. So I know which part we take the next entry. But here so was a good buy right here, so and you can see we have the doji them to support it and everything. So if you are taking a buy right here, nice buy. And your buy would have hit 50 pip already, easily. How much pip this be? Yeah, it's a candle alone of 46 pips. Looking to get back on live by next week. Alright, bro, go and do it. Yeah, you took a buy, took that buy, bro, and have we're gonna rush on. I don't understand, bro. How you get stop out? When I get that. Oh, you say you have two different stop loss. you have two different stop loss. I reach me before. I may have different stop loss. That one may have on trading view. Structure at work, yeah bro. You have to always know which part you're doing at the market. That is basically what structure is. Once you know which part you're there, you know exactly what to do. Alright? Oh, I could jump on AU too. This was a nice buy on AU as well, this buy. This whole entire buy right here. Still expecting AU push up all the way up here, so. When I say book time, I'm ready. Book time, you know. Yeah, we at it. Alright, people. I'm gonna find my book. Alright, so we had it tonight, the perfection gap and the inspirational gap. I'm glad so we're the number 5, the perfection gap. Because this is something we're even involved in trading, to be honest. The perfection gap. Alright guys, ready for your book? Book time. So tonight we're gonna go over the book, and you see the perfection gap. I'm glad so we'll go over that one, because in trading that happens a lot. I remember we talked about it last night. When it comes down to trading strategy and people wanting the perfect trading strategy, that is exactly what it is. Alright, everyone ready? Type ready if you're ready. I'm gonna run through the book real quick. Yeah, Andre, I'm ready long time. You mean, bro? Account, man, that is it. Grade ready, alright? Go see some more ready in the chat if you know guys ready. Some people not ready, because they just gonna read the book. Guys, all you have to do is set a reminder up on your phone, Just set a reminder on your phone to tell us hard and read the book. And that's it. Which book you guys reading? Type in exclamation mark book, bro, and you see the book come up. It's called The 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. So what we do, guys, we read the book every night. Every night you get a section of the book where you're supposed to read, and then the other night we'll have actually a quiz on what you've read the previous night, basically. So last night everybody got 2 chapters to read, and based on reading 2 chapters, I'll be asking 4 questions. As you can see, this is the leaderboard. And the person that is at the top of the leaderboard at the end of the month with the most points gets a free funded account. So the book is called Invaluable Laws, 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. Just type in exclamation mark book and you will see it come up. Alright, that is it, bro. Ready, but the phone I give trouble. Alright, bro, ready. Alright, guys, so make sure you go on the bottom of the stream and click the word live. So you jump to the current. Yo, this bud. This how them we used to see them use a call center. It's like them have a live version of Excel. And then just collaborate. I don't know how them do that. Alright, guys, ready? Alright. So, question time. When it comes on to the perfection gap, wait, I have to structure the question different. How can one overcome the perfection gap? How can one overcome the perfection gap? Let me see the answers. By just start planning your growth rather than waiting for the best time to start it. Alright, guys. Alright, wait there. We have a couple controversial answers. I'm gonna go through them. Alright, by just and rather than waiting for the best way to start. Alright, look at planning. Because when you start planning, bro, you still not start doing nothing yet, Have a growth plan and execute it. Alright, Joey, that will get that one there. So Joey would get that one. So Joey, you can't get no more points for the night. Yeah, because you have to include doing it, bro. Because having the plan alone now go cut it. You can have the plan, You can have the plan in a guys, but if you not build the house, that make no sense, not true? If you have the plan and you not build the house, nothing is there. You just have the plan. There is nothing there. You can't go in the bathroom and take a shower or nothing. Because you only have the plan. You never take the time off to build on the plan. So yes, Jay, you're correct, but you still have to execute it. Alright? So that's when it comes down to the perfection gap. You guys just have to understand that. I'm going to show you after we go through the perfection gap. After I ask the second question about the perfection gap, basically I go talk about it for a little while before we move on to the inspirational gap. So next question, for a person who is trapped in the perfection gap, right? For a person who is trapped in the perfection gap. You guys ready? Wait, me never make you guys type ready. Type ready in the chat. Everybody type ready that is ready. So I know you're ready. And click the word live so you get to the current so you can hear me as me say hey, you hear it. Alright, that question may I look for one specific answer. A person who is caught up in the perfection gap. What is that person lacking? For a person who is caught up in the perfection gap, what is that person's lacking? Person is lacking motivation, initiative, vision, progression, motivation. Nobody not say wait. What I say hint? The word start with E. Because they can't believe in yourself and everything and still not do what you have to do. Alright, Jay, big up yourself. Jay, get it, execution. Guys, you have to understand, say, action, right? Motivation, initiative, vision, progression, believing in yourself, those are not actions. The action is actually executing, right? So you have to actually execute. So when it comes down to the perfection gap, execution is the thing, right? So it don't matter if you did see this or you did think about this or that and that. Execution, that is the biggest aspect of everything. So the person who is suffering in the perfection gap, they're lacking execution. No such a son. War baby, same set. Mindset to execute. That are the mindset, bro. Ask you what them lack execution. It just all come down to execution, bro. It don't matter about your mindset, about your thinking or nothing. You just need to do it. You get what I say? So it don't have nothing to do with non-physical. Physically, just do it. You get what I say? So this come back down to trading now, right? You have some people who have to do 1 million research before them actually, do nothing in a trading. They have to do 1 million research. So you say it before JB still. No, bro, JB named at the top right there, so I'm gonna see you say it before JB. You say it after, you say it after JB, bro. I don't know where you see it on your side, but I will see. Let me see it before JB. JB said before you. So, I tell you how perfection gap affect people in a trading. Because guys, you have to know, you have to kind of read the gap them, right? This is not just an exercise for winning account, right? As something we want to read and relate to and put it to real life and see how we can get over this. Because guess what? You might find, say, one or few gap out of them will affect you personally. You get what I say? So perfection gap now. This is a main thing that is really big when it comes down to female, right? They love everything perfect. You get what I say? They love everything to be perfect. You have a plan and you want everything to follow that exact plan. You get what I say? So this is coming like in a trading now, guys. I'm showing how this can affect you guys in trading. First of all, trading strategy. You keep on research different trading strategy. You start research what is the best trading strategy and all of them something there. All because you want the perfect trading strategy where you feel so you'll get your 100% win rate. No such thing exists. No such thing exists. What you should be focusing on is executing and learning from your mistakes. Execute meaning actually placing trades, actually doing analysis. You get what I'm saying? When you actually place a trade and you actually do your analysis, right? Placing a trade is you executing a trade. So you actually analyzing and executing, right there, so you're growing. Because guess what? You're entering trades and you're learning from these trades. You're also profiting from these trades, right? Even if you're not profiting, you're learning. If you're profiting, you're profiting. So any we're going JC. Anywhere you take it, guys, it's still a learning process. You still learn from it. And the more you learn, the more you're going to earn. You get what I say? And when I say the more you learn, I know the more what you learn from just doing research, and the more what you learn from execution. Because they have some things where you have to learn about trading and only you can teach yourself. Ashane can teach you, Q-Banks can teach you, Pajama can teach you, nobody can teach you. You executing, that will teach you certain things. Right? Certain things just come to you. And the only way you're going to learn them is executing, because everybody have a different level of personality. You get what I'm saying? Everybody have different traits. Everybody have different characteristics. You get me? You guys are follow? Everybody have different traits and everybody have different characteristics. So guess what you might be lacking, other person over there is so strong in that regard. You get what I say? And where you might be strong, other person over there is so lacking in that regard. So everybody is different. So you have to just execute and find out, what are your flaws, what you need for work on, what you need for fix, right? What you good at, what is your edge. Blessings fam, just come from a resort feeling like to book 5 more days. Yeah bro, I saw when you go to a hotel you feel, bro. I'm not lie. When I go Rio with my wife and my wife family, we go Rio for like 4 days, bro. I mean, I tell you, say after 4 days, bro, I'm not telling you, I feel like more moving. I feel like more moving, bro. We go Rio for 4 days, or I think 3 days or 4 days. But yo, you see the lifestyle it doesn't feel like more moving. Wake up to breakfast, trading by the pool, food 24/7. Yo, bro, bro, me not think me ever did this so hungry. Alright, bro. So you start trading before you actually start research. And nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, bro. Because guess what? You see, because they tell the initiative to actually start, did they try develop the perfect trading strategy before you actually start trading. Enough of the things that when you're learning, guys, are by trading you learn them. And not by research you learn them. By trading and not by Ashane telling you learn them. And by trading you learn them. By actually going upon the charts, placing the trades, pressing the buy button, pressing the sell button, you're going to learn things. You think you can learn how to manage emotions by researching? You could have read book and do motivation till you're weak. You're not gonna learn how to manage your emotions. You could have listen music. But how you learn that? By executing and get used to seeing, big negative, small negative, big positive, small positive. That is how you're gonna learn them things then, guys. So most of the things that when you learn in trading, by guess what? Execution. So you have to be an executor. You get me? You have to be an executor, guys. You have to learn to place the trades them. And the more you place the trades them, and the more you're gonna learn. You guys ever wonder why some people go to school, go study for be some things and them can't get no work in that field? Because them don't have no experience. Because it's not all about the theory part of things. You get me? I say you have to have the experience so you understand everything from a hands-on perspective as well. What's your hands-on experience in trading? By actually trading, placing the trades. So don't try to find perfect course, perfect strategy, or nothing like that. Just find something within your budget, something that works, and you just follow it, right? And you can build upon that. By placing trades, you can build upon that. You get me? So that's how it goes, guys, when it comes down to the perfection gap in trading. You get me, I say? Alright, so we're going to go up on the inspirational gap. Boy, guys, my cousin, I have to do a little rant on Instagram over the weekend about this gap. Right? What is the... Alright, guys, type in ready if you're not ready. Ready for your next question. Make sure you click the word live down at the bottom so you jump to the current of the stream, right? Alright, guys, click the live below and type the word ready. So when everybody click the live and type the word ready, we have 4 ready so far. Alright then, guys, make sure you click the word live. Right? So we're going to focus on the inspirational gap right now. Right? What is the most common excuse when it comes on to the inspirational gap? The inspiration gap. What is the most common excuse when it comes on to the inspiration gap? Tell me what the people them love say. It's easy question. Basically, who type the fastest I get that one. Alright, Akeem, that is it. That is it, Akeem. You know, so I have one cousin named Akeem right there. Yeah, so most common excuse, guys, is no motivation. I'm not motivated. You get what I say? I need some motivation. Guys, I tell you now. You could have listened motivational speech to the... You sure, you know what I mean? I don't know if you want to switch up name for me. I have one cousin named Akeem, right? But only you because you live in Jamaica. My cousin Akeem, he live overseas. So, I only you. Yeah, but I have one cousin named Akeem, right, man? Me and him grow together and something. I'm a boy, you know? I'm doing the trading too. But him live in Florida though. Me and him used to play cricket and them thing when me younger, you know? So No motivation. Guys, I'm showing you something. I'm showing you a magic trick. You could have listen motivational speech to the week. You could have one earphone in your ears every day that's dedicated to always listen motivational speech. That not make you successful. Motivational speech not make you successful. You get what I'm saying? Motivational speak and this and that and speak, say yo, boom, 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 boom. Nah make you successful. Nah change your current situation. Let me tell you how motivational speech work. You listen to something like motivational, right? You feel nice and happy right now, you know? 10 minutes. Give you one 6 hour down the line, right? Give 1 6 hour down the line. You don't remember nothing. You don't remember nothing. That speech just gone. Go through one ears and come through next. It's motivational speech are just like a in the moment thing. You ever wake up and listen to one motivational speech and you just feel nice and you know, by the time you go bed and take on the day and you remember about the speech. You get what I say? Me not listen motivational speeches, guys. Get what I say? At the end of the day, what I say come down to execution, action. Action talk. Alright, whenever I see some girl at school, well, of course, they love run off their mouth and everything, and they have the biggest mouth and this and that, and they can't do nothing. They can't do nothing. When them and somebody in like an argument or so, they just a cuss and make it most nice. And not do nothing. They not touch a person. They not do nothing. That's just their mouth at work. That is motivational speech. Right? You just feel like, you just feel like you can do it, but you not do it. Action is what counts. So if there's something where you within the stream right now, right? I mean, I talk to everybody where they're right there, so I watch the stream. So if there's something in a life where you want to do, a business, an opportunity, just do it. Stop sitting and wait for the perfect time. I start say I lack motivation and you need the motivation before you can. Well, go on, Jason. You need the motivation before you can actually do this and do that. No, you don't need none of that, bro. You just need to get up off of your lazy self and just do it. Do it. If you are a female and you want to start a clothing business and you did it wait for you have $1 million to buy 500 clothes, no. If you have $100, buy $100 you can buy. Start. Do it. You have to be grateful in a business to go through the small segments of having a small business. Because there's some valuable lessons that you learn from having a small business that you will never learn by having a big business. Right? That kind of deep. That kind of well deep. Right? That kind of well deep. But I don't know if you guys get what I say. There are some lessons where you can learn from having a small business that you will never learn by having a big business. So guys, you just have to take a stepping stone and top sit down and wait for motivation. I say, oh my well, I can't do trading, I'm not motivated. The video in the course already, bro. Oh, TC, do you have a course? I dropped the deposit video in the course yesterday. I'm going to drop it on YouTube Wednesday. Because Wednesday I'm going to upload it for YouTube. So I drop the video on Wednesday. Guys, look. I'm not go around on it. I don't see my face. I'm not go around on it, you know. I'm not go around on it, guys. Look here. I'm showing you, say, I'm serious. I don't see my face, say a joke. But I'm sure I'm serious. Alright, look. See it there, guys. All the thumbnail make already. See it? All the thumbnail make already. For the YouTube video. All the thumbnail make. So I'm not go around now. So Wednesday it a drop on YouTube. But if you have the course already, it's already in the course. Just gonna be basically a similar video. Go to the wrong method. I just want to wait for your video for drop. Alright, bro. So really so I go provide in the video I go provided more than one methods. So it's really up to you which one you want to use. TC, do you have an NCB account? You have an NCB account, bro? TC? Make sure you have an NCB account, you know? Alright, good, bro. You have an NCB account. Make sure you have a CEX and you have a card link to your CEX. You have BitPay already? You have BitPay sign? You sign up for BitPay already? Make sure you have your CEX with the NCB card link to it, bro. CEX linked and BitPay active. Alright, you're good to go, bro. So when the video drop, you will know exactly what to do. Alright, no worries. So, yes, guys, you can sit down and get motivated all they want and feel motivated and listen your motivational speech all they want. It not gonna do nothing for you. You know what I say? I'm not just telling you something, right? I'm not gonna just tell you something, I'm gonna show you something. You get what I say? So I'm not gonna just tell you. You see? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you something. You know, for how much years me used to listen these every single day. Every single day, me I listen to Eric Thomas every single day. Right? Me I listen to Eric Thomas every day. Me used to listen to Eric Thomas, right? Until me I listen I go right here so and scroll down. Me I listen this too. Me I listen this Gary V. You get what I say? But listen Gary V, I listen Eric Thomas. But listen all of them motivational stuff there. You get what I say? But listen all of them motivational stuff there. And boom. You get what I say? I know the effect of just having the motivation and having that you know actually take the action. You get what I say? And you know, guess what? I've been doing so much, and I don't know when I last time I listened to a motivational video. I didn't even have, yeah man, Gary V had, but I'm not gonna lie, guys, more while and a lack of motivation, but sometimes I just bounce at one Gary V. I tell you now what I beat now, guys. I tell you where I might go to, right? I tell you where I might go to. I tell them what I might go to. I show you what me listen to now. What me rock. What me learn the real gems them from. I go so boom and type in all the Rick Ross interview. Him have one where him did up on him like this. I type in all the Rick Ross interview, bro.
But if you want to write essays that inspire,
I type in all the Rick Ross interview, bro. I hear Rick Ross talk about business, brother. And you start learning some gems, bro. You start learning some things where you can incorporate in your life. When I talk about just motivation now, you know, we get deeper than just motivation. You met a Rick Ross interview, and Rick Ross will show you how him go about things and them something there, bro. Yo, I can't believe this man go about 3 days and no sleep. This man lack of sleep so much that him actually get one I don't know fits it name. Him actually get a seizure because him not sleep. Imagine you're depending grind so much where you actually get a seizure because you're not sleep, bro. You get what I say? So you take in some interview people and you learn some people journey and you see some sacrifices that people take. And you learn some key gems, especially when it comes down to investing, navigating in life. You can learn some key gems. You get what I say? From just interviews. Because I remember when I interview people, a person, I tell him whole life story, how him get here, so. And based on theme life story, guys, you probably in a similar situation in your life, and you say, oh, you know, so we can actually boom boom bang. You get what I say? And reach what more for reach. Right? Yo, if you're an artist, you know, and you sit down and take in some artist interview, you know, not the pretty one them where we talk about those music. Take in the one them where them talk about them lifestyle and the business moves they make and them things. You as an artist able to make serious moves. Yo, Rick Ross put in the work, brother. You know how much Wingstop with Rick Ross own? Rick Ross owns so much business and so much franchises. You get what I say? Remember, say Rick Ross is a one in partnership with Bel-Air, Bamboo, Rap Snacks. Yo, and the man come on Instagram every day can talk about them. But one day if you never look on Rick Ross Instagram, Rick Ross is the celebrity in the world will post the most. Rick Ross is the celebrity in the world will post the most on Instagram. Nobody no post more Instagram story than Rick Ross. Right now if you go up on Rick Ross story, I'll be that. I'll be that. Brother, Rick Ross story, make my story, pan a peak day, look like me not try. Rick Ross story, bro, in Instagram story pan a peak day, make my Instagram look like me not try. I remember say them man a celebrity, brother. You get what I say? When the man wake up, brother, and the man go outside, brother, and you see the views them, you get what I say? You see views them, bro. Where the man, which part the man live. You see the views them, brother. Right now that man they don't know half of the room in the house there. You get what I say? Even don't know half of the room them in the house there. Yeah, morning glory. Yeah, man, when the man wake up, bro, and you see man go boom. And you see man a shut all him, man a promote Bamboo and Rap Snacks every single day. The man not miss a day, brother. Every day the man upon there promote him thing. I promote him thing them. Every single day I promote him sponsors. In partners, because in partner with them. Get what I say, and when the man go figure start talk about Wingstop, it done. Remember say for the man, I look on them something where that about bigger than just motivation right now. For the man for him son birthday and give him son a Wingstop franchise. And then him explain why he give him son a Wingstop franchise. Cause he want his son to start have responsibilities. You get what I say? He want him son to start have responsibilities. So shit bigger than just this bigger than just motivation, bro. Like motivation are like step one. Motivation are step I don't even step one, a step zero. So you can't just sit down and now motivation video daily and so yo get up and just go do it. Just get up and go do it. Simple. You get what I say? Just get up and go do it. If you want something to take in, go take in some interview. Yo, you know which interview powerful, bro? You know which interview powerful? Drake. And in every interview where you watch with them man, bro, you know one thing when you realize why them man did which part them there? Work ethic, brother. Them man they not sleep, bro. Them man they not sleep, brother. Yo, me feel say the Rick Ross interview them watch where my work ethic for 2022 just like take a major shift. Remember say me used to sleep and wake up for London session and people. Remember say I sleep, me used to sleep, go on my bed from 8 o'clock and wake up 2 o'clock. I wake up 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock me used to wake up. I go to bed 8 and wake up 1 for London session. That I used on my schedule. All of that cut out. I'm telling you guys on a day-to-day basis, the most sleep me get within a 24 hour, probably 3 to 4 hours. I may not get it one time. Cause sometimes I fast asleep like at 5 o'clock in the morning, I'm up 7. You get what I say? Throughout the day, I'm probably if I'm lucky, I get one next hour or 2. You get what I say? Because yo bro, you just have to have a level of work ethic when you really want be successful in life. You get what I say? When you really want to be successful in life, you just have to have a whole different level of work ethic. And if you're taking some Drake interview, some Rick Ross interview, some Nipsey interview, you see me I say? You're taking all of them legends there. You're taking them interview. You're taking some Floyd Mayweather interview. Brother, the man them work damn hard, brother. If you hard them man they work, me I said, Jaja. Bro, them man spend out 24 hours in one studio. Just to get it right. Easily. Work ethic. You get what I say? I'ma learn them things from them man about the work ethic them. So you have to put in a different level of work. And not just like work. That's not like just work, but you work smart. While they still at work hard. You get what I say? You have to put in the hours them in a way you want the hours for what you want to do. And it go take hours. Anything when you want to do. Enough time sleep I go to there, kick out your teeth and all type of something. But you have to push yourself. You have to push yourself and tell yourself, say, yes, I can do this. You see me I say? You have to push yourself and tell yourself, say, I can do this. And you just do it. No bugger excuses. Listen, you say before you find an excuse, find a way out. Find a way out and make the way out not work before you find an excuse. Excuse should be a last resort. Yeah, so bigger than just motivation, guys. You have to actually do. And your work ethic are gonna speak volumes. You see me I say? When a couple years come, 1 5 year or 3 year or 2 year, you're gonna see who really I put in the work and who just take a picture and go sleep at night time. Who post up the charts and go sleep at night time. You're gonna see that. You see who really there. You know? Remember 5 o'clock this morning, bro. You know which time I have my head 5 o'clock this morning? For my decks. 5 o'clock this morning, my head up on my decks. Then I get up from around my desk. I get up from around my desk and go whole asleep. You get what I say? I get up from around my desk and go whole asleep. 5 o'clock this morning, brother. 1 second. 1 second, guys. Yeah, guys. So you have to do it. You know? Yeah, man, I drop asleep on the decks. You get what I say? On the decks, I drop asleep, guys. On the desk. So that me I tell them.